he hasn't spent much time with his mom.
It's your smell ball.
We have a female poodle who also had a litter at the same time, but she's nursed him more really than his mom has.
She sneaks.
But she can't. There's no way to know.
So the obvious thing, I mean, is how you gotta take him to the vet for the shot.
Carry him in.
Yeah. That's we never let our dogs walk, even the big ones. I always carry them into the vet. I don't want to take a chance, you know. I just don't want to take a chance.
It's a terrible,
Yeah.
terrible. And it's extremely.
Yeah. Now, once he does accept the vaccine, it's not an issue anymore.
Right.
All dogs, at one point in their life or another, at this point, are exposed to parvo. 100% of them.
It's very prevalent.
It's extremely prevalent. It's parvos everywhere. But it's not an issue after they've been vaccinated and will accept the vaccination.
Hey, sweet. What do you think? We're all right, don't you think?
We're pretty cool.
We're funny.
I think we'll be fine. He's got a really outgoing personality.
We're funny.
Once he gets to know everybody, he'll be fine.
So we planned on this in the house nearby.
I would start him out getting used to the collar and just at short periods of time.
Like around the house or in the backyard or something.
Yeah.
Okay.
That way, when the time comes to start taking him for walks and stuff, he'll be well schooled.
Right.
Because at
He
first
speaks.
it tends to scare some dogs a little
He said,
bit.
You said, hey, sweet. There we go. How are you, man?
He is an attention hound. He's a little smaller when he's wet.
Oh, there's his eyes. You know, I've barely seen his eyes yet. Hi, huh? No.
His eyes
pretty
are in the
eyes.
process of changing.
Yeah.
They'll be-
He's pretty used to chaos. I don't think the kids will bother him too bad.
It's nice to know.
Oh yeah. Chloe's litter was just born. That's only the second one in about 5 years.
I went under the car.
every time.
Famous.
She's our resident vegetarian and all that, so she
I
really
try to talk people out of it because I
don't see the point, really.
Let him do his thing and then see whether he's.
if a dog's going to be used to hunting and they're running to the brush and that sort of thing, I can kind of see it.
Famous to the river. Famous to the river. Look. Famous.
Okay.
He's a little cute
Y'all have
dog.
the perfect
Famous?
all up in it.
He loves hair.
I can't get them to
Gentle,
make
sweetheart.
my hands full.
Famous. Too famous. Famous.
My hair is longer than that.
All right, man. There you go. You guys are being pretty gentle. I like it.
Baby's in the car. Baby's in the car. Baby's in the car with the what? What are your food, Dada? We're walking by. We're walking by. We're going to go to the bathroom. Art with a bird in your head. I'm gonna go to the bathroom. Hey, what the heck? I wanna go fart. I wanna fart. Yes. Y'all let me down. What? Behave. Murphy. Mark?
So his name is Famous?
Mm-hmm.
He's cute.
Famous.
Well, then he must be famous.
Oh, he likes me.
He likes me. He likes me. Yeah. He likes me. He likes me.
Bring him inside.